Hello everyone, I am Rishika. Today let's talk about cash flow statement. It is a statement showing the movement of cash of a company during a period of time. It basically consists of three main components. The first being the cash flow from operating activities. It includes all the cash transactions of the core business activity. It shows whether the company's main business is sustainable or not. Second, being the cash flow from investing activities. It includes all the cash transactions relating to the long term assets of the company, like buying or selling of the machinery, investments, etc. It shows the company's growth decisions. Third, being the cash flow from financing activity. It includes the cash transactions relating to the capital structure of the company. For example, raising of money through either equity or debt, repayment of the interest or the principal amount of the debt. It basically shows how the company is trying to fund their operations and how they return the value to their investors or to their capital providers. So don't just look at the profit, look where the cash is coming from and where is the cash going from the business. Thank you.